Hello, student. So today we are going to discuss about viruses, right? So we are going to discuss about virus. It is the first class about the virus. It is the third sem elective course, and we are going to discuss about the virus in detail, right? So what is virus? The at first we discuss about virus, what is virus and its discovery, then discuss all the thing in detail, right? So what is virus? Virus means these are the non-living particles. Virus means these are the non-living particles which are inactive in the environment, and it is only active when infected with any host. So these are the infectious particle. Virus means these are infectious particle, and they are infect to host when enter the host body. After entering the host body, they are going to cause disease. Before that, they are inactive and they are present in the environment. So we are now discuss about its discovery. Discovery means the first virus that is called tobacco mosaic virus or TMV. The tobacco mosaic virus or TMV first discovered by D. Ivanovsky. So D. Ivanovsky is a scientist. When he worked upon the tobacco plant, he observed that there is certain type of patches. There is black patches are developed on the leaf surface of the tobacco leaf. So he found that why these patches are developed. These black patches are developed due to infection. At later stage, he found that there is some particles or agent when entering to the leaf cell, they are going to cause the patches. And and he found that that patches are developed by some virus and named as tobacco mosaic virus or TMV. So the first virus is TMV, right? Now we are going to discuss about its structure. If we discuss its structure, virus structure, we found the virus so many type of different type of structure. Means it has a structural diversity. Means the virus has different type of body structure. It's has a brick shape. It's have rod shape. The rod shape of virus is TMV. Tobacco mosaic virus is a rod shape virus. So the rod shape virus is first discovered. Then other form of virus is discovered. Spherical shape virus, influenza. Example is influenza is the spherical shape virus. Rod shape is TMV. TMV is the rod shape virus, right? So there is many form of virus is there. And tadpole like bacteriophage. Tadpole shape is bacteriophage. Now we are going to discuss about the structure. So viruses are small obligate intracellular parasite. What does it mean? Viruses are small. They is very tiny. They are do not uh, observe in naked eye. So they are very small obligate intracellular parasite. Intracellular means within the cell they are going to be multiply. Otherwise they are do not active outside the host body. So they are intracellular. Intra means within the cell they are going to be multiply. Parasite means they depend upon other host for their food and survival. So viruses are small obligate intracellular parasite which by definition we discussed that they contain the RNA or DNA as a genetic material. They contain RNA or DNA as a genetic material. Either RNA or either DNA they have, right? Most probably, cells are organized and characterized by a co-evolution of virus and host. Means they are mostly live within the host and multiply within the host, and sometimes they are going to be kill that host, or sometimes they may be live and multiply, and their number is going to increase within that host. After a certain interval, they kill that host. So nowadays there is the virus is well known, that is coronavirus, but we are not discuss about the coronavirus because it is not your topic. Your topic is actually the general outline about virus. So we are going to discuss about the virus. If we discuss its morphology, means virus morphological structure. So virus are grouped on the basis of size and shape. what is the size, what is the shape. According to that, they are going to be categorized. And the chemical composition also, size, shape, and chemical composition. Size means what is the size, diameter. Mostly the virus normal size is 200 nanometer. Sorry, 200 micrometer. 200 micrometer. Normal size of a virus is 200 micrometer. And smallest virus is, if we discuss the smallest virus, it is the foot and mouth disease causing virus. Foot and mouth, there is going to be patches or scrub is developed in your mouth or in your foot. So foot and mouth disease causing virus, its diameter is 10 micrometer. So this, it is the smallest virus. It is the most smallest virus, that is foot and mouth disease causing virus. And another is virus, that is largest virus, that is smallpox virus. Smallpox virus, or its size is 250 micrometer. 250 micrometer is smallpox virus. Or you can say variola virus. There is another virus, that is variola. So variola virus is 250 micrometer, and the smallpox virus is also 250 micrometer in size. So this is the largest virus, smallpox virus or variola virus. It is the largest virus, and the smallest virus is foot and mouth disease causing virus. Its size is 10 micrometer, and normally the virus size is 200 micrometer. Right. Now we are going to discuss about its chemical composition. If we observe the chemical composition of a virus, any virus, you can say coronavirus also, the virus size vary, and its chemical composition is also vary. So the chemical composition is, you can say protein, there is a capsid, and a genetic material. The protein or capsid and a genetic material. Genetic material means that is either DNA or either RNA. There is types of viruses there. Some are plant virus, some are animal virus. So there is different category of virus is there. So according to that, their genetic composition are vary. So mostly the animal virus are RNA containing virus. They are RNA containing, and few are DNA also. So mostly RNA containing virus is there, which are going to infect the animals. Animals means we are all, human being also included, right? So the virus mainly chemical composition is nucleic acid and protein code, nucleic acid and protein code. And this nucleic acid is either DNA or RNA, either DNA or RNA, right? So the virus is sometimes vary its shape and size. Some are helical, some are brick shape. Its shape is very time to time. And the virus may infect to the host and complete its life cycle by two way. One is lytic cycle, another is lysogenic cycle. It completes a life cycle within the host in two ways. One is lytic cycle, another is lysogenic cycle. In lytic cycle, the virus kill the host, means it completes its life cycle by entering into the host cell, and it kills the host DNA as well as destroy the nucleus of the host, and finally it kills them fully. So it is a lytic cycle. In lysogenic cycle, it do not kill the host but multiply the viral DNA or viral RNA within the host. So this is the two way of life cycle completed by the virus within the host. So this coronavirus also infect to the host. I'm just explaining some idea about coronavirus. Because the coronavirus is now the pandemic. Pandemic means it's going to spread thousands of people, lakhs of peoples, and it do not compare it to a specific area. It broadly all over world infected. So it is a pandemic disease. That's why we call them pandemic. Endemic means there is a two term, endemic and pandemic. Endemic means the virus when infect to a specific area or specific geographic area within a country or within a state or within a district or within a specific location of the region. So that is called endemic. Means the viral infection is took place in a specific area. That is called endemic. But pandemic means the virus when infect to the more area or cover the more area all over the India, all over the world, then we call them pandemic. So we are not discussing that, but I'm giving the just idea about the endemic and pandemic infection of virus. So this is a coronavirus is a pandemic virus. So we are going to discuss about general structure and classification. Virus are classified broadly according to their infection to the host. So according to that, there is three types of virus is there. One is phytophaginy, another is zoophaginy, another is phaginy. So there is three types: phytophaginy, zoophaginy, and phaginy. Phagine means infection to the host. That is phaginy means here infection to the bacteria. If the virus infect to the bacteria, then we call them phagine. If the virus infect to the plant, then we call them phytophagine. If the virus infect to the animals, then we call them zoophagine. So there is a classification on the basis of virus infect to a particular host. So phytophagine, zoophagine, and phagine. So there is three types of viruses there. One is bacterial virus, we call them bacteriophage. Then plant virus, another is animal virus. So virus are three types according to their infection to the different types of host. So these are three category broadly. One is the virus when infect to the host, just like the bacteria, then we call them phagine. If the virus infect to the plant, then we call them phagine, and if the virus infect to the animal, then we call them zoophagine. So there is phytophagine, zoophagine, and phagine. Right? Now we are going to discuss about the virus which are contain the component like nucleic acid and protein code. So the nucleic acid, I am already telling about the nucleic acid. The nucleic acid is either DNA or RNA, and mostly plant virus carry the DNA. Means there is a virus that is known as cauliflower mosaic virus. Cauliflower mosaic virus, TMV. You know the TMV, tobacco mosaic virus. So TMV is the RNA virus, but cauliflower mosaic virus, it is a DNA virus. Means it carry the DNA as a genetic material, right? So DNA virus, cauliflower mosaic virus is a DNA virus, and tobacco mosaic virus is a RNA virus. So there is different types of viruses there. So in this class, already we are going to discuss about general character, classification, and discovery. I hope that you are like this video, and in the next class we will discuss about the life cycle. I'm to discuss the general idea about life cycle, and it continue the lytic and lysogenic in detail. I'm in the next class I'm explaining the detail about the lytic cycle or lysogenic cycle in the detail. So I hope that you like this video. Thank you.